Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, Dancehall skilla there again once more with videos to present to you my viewers and subscribers. A big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright, you see? Alright, so in this video, I'm going to present to you videos that are being talked about on social media. And one of the reasons why I am presenting these videos to you is because these videos are being talked about on social media. And you can also let me know what I think about these videos as well. Now, the first video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show some things that happened after a man who broke into a building that is located somewhere out there in the world had been captured, and then at least one law enforcer asked the man to show the law enforcer and other persons how did he broke into the building. Yeah, the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a burglar showing persons how he broke into a building of your subscribers. See? And I would like you to tell me what I think about this video as well. Now, I didn't get any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video will be recorded, but the video is being talked about on social media, alright? Tell me what you think about this video. Here's the video. Look, observe. Alright, my people, look on this video properly now. Just look. See? Look. Big smarty way if you think about looking at work. See? That the person do. I'll handcuff the pan one of his hands. You know. Look. So I show him a certain amount of persons how he broke into the building and how he got into the building. See? You see the handcuffs on one hand? You see the handcuffs on one hand? This sad. This sad, my people. It really sad. You see it? Lucky. Well, my people, you see, if I was a police officer who asked that man to show how he break into someone's house, yeah? You see, after I'm done illustrate what he had done or how him do what him do, I just show him how inside of a jailhouse is still. And I think that is what's going to happen to him or what have happened to him. Yes, so if you're subscribers, yeah man, I didn't get too much information about the situation, but the video itself is being talked about on social media, and I presented the video to you so that you can take a look at the video and tell me what you think. Alright? Anyways, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show fire coming from the ground somewhere out there in the world. I do not know exactly where and when this video was recorded. You see? The video shows when someone was using a rake to rake the ground where the fire is coming from. But in my point of view, the fire didn't out, and it seems as if the rake was affecting the fire that was coming from the ground. So I wonder if someone threw gas on that part of the ground and then light it. I wonder if the video is a publicity stunt. I wonder how that happened, viewers and subscribers. You understand? So I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look at this video and tell me how you think fire was coming from that ground that you can see in the video that I'm about to present to you. Viewers and subscribers, I'm not even sure if I'm explaining the whole thing properly to you, but I try my best. You understand? So I want to take a look at the video and tell me what you think, my people. Alright? Here's the video. Take a look. Observe. Look for what I say to some people. Just look on the video carefully. Look there. See? I don't know who I use the rake and I rake that part of the ground, but it don't look like it affect the fire to me. See? So me I wonder how that what go on this, how that happen. And what they in the ground, so what cause something like that for that much? You see that? Look there. So people want to tell me why I want to think something like that happen. Look. Look there. What caused that? My people, how that happen? How did that happen? Eh? Because if someone didn't put some form of fire under the ground for some form of publicity stunt, or if somebody didn't make the video to gain views and likes on social media, and if someone didn't throw any gas on the ground, then in my point of view, that might be a sign of some form of volcanic activity, you know. My people, tell me what you think about that video, because I don't know how that happened, how the fire came from that ground. So tell me what you think. Anyways, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a man with his 2 feet lifted from off the ground while he was holding on to a cord or a rope that's connected to a kite that was in the air. Yeah, the next video I'm going to present to you is going to show a kite in the air and a cord or a rope connected to the kite, and a man was holding on to the cord or the rope and his 2 feet was lifted from off the ground. Now, how his 2 feet was lifted from off the ground, I'm not sure if you're in subscribers. I don't know if I climb the cord or the rope. You understand? But the man's 2 feet was lifted from off the ground. You see what I say? Yeah, the video also shows other persons holding on to the same cord or the rope that's connected to the kite. Viewers, subscribers, I'm gonna like to tell me what to think about this video as well. Alright? Now, I do not know exactly where and when this video will be recorded, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Never yet. Never.
You see that, my people? Me never see something like that yet. Me not go pretend like me ever see that. Me never see a kite lift a man from off the ground yet, in viewers, subscribers. And me never see a kite so big to the point where a person can actually climb on the cord and take his feet from off the ground because the kite is in the air, lifting him as well, or her as well. Me never see that before. You see me? But I think it is dangerous still. So if you're going to build a kite that you can manage. Don't build a kite that can take you and fling you over there or carry you up in the air or so forth. No, I don't think so. I don't think that's safe at all, my people. No, sir. I don't think that's safe at all. Anyways, my people, the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show when a cow was badly damaging someone's motor vehicle. See, according to some things that I heard in the video and according to information that I got, it is said that the video had been recorded somewhere within the country of Jamaica, viewers and subscribers, you see? And the video is getting a buzz on social media. Yeah, the video is being talked about on social media, even more than I expected. Viewers and subscribers, I would like you to take a look at this video and tell me what I think. One of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
The cow mash up the people in vehicle. In Mexico Bay, look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Look at it. Come mash up the man car to blows that. Look at it. Look at it. No, sir. Montego Bay, run a Freeport. Close to Freeport.
Well, my people, I wonder if whosoever owned that motor vehicle is going to tell his or her insurance company about that situation. You see me? I wonder what that person would tell his or her insurance company as well. You see me? Yeah, I wonder who owned that cow. Yeah, I wonder who's the owner of that cow, because that person might be in problem too, you know. Yes, me and some viewers and subscribers. Anyways, let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers. All right. Yeah, so big up and respect to each and every one, viewers and subscribers. I think here's where I'm going to leave it now. All right. So let me know what you think about all of those videos that I presented to you in this video. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself, you see.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall. entertained.